Hello, my name is Luis Sarmiento, and I am doing the INTE 2547 assignment 2 for ethical hacking, and I'll be starting off with using I am doing question 4, and this deals with Nmap, and it talks about as well code review in C, and we'll be checking we'll be analyzing the lines of code as well using Flow Finder. So we'll start off using Nmap. So for this one, we would need to open up a Docker container. We'll do that here. So we have one up right now, actually. We have one up right now. We'll use this one, actually. So as you can see, one of the questions is asking, I'll pull it up right now. Give me one moment. Yeah, so I have it up right now. We look at the question. Be looking at a Linux Nmap command to determine the operating system running on RMIT. In order to do that, we need to use this command. So give me one moment. Oh wait, no, wrong one. Linux command scan all hosts for finger 3. My bad, that was the wrong one. I was confused. So we would have to do this. So we'll have all this stuff running. We'll have the internal host running, .ps, .sh, 192.3c. So that we got host 1 running. I can confirm that with this. Then .ps, .shc4. Then .ps, .sh3a. So you can see, yep, we have all the internal ones working up. One minute, I'll add ps.sh39. We'll have host A up. Right. It's the router. 3C. Okay, it's just an error. Okay. So we have all of the stuff running, and they want us to check the scan all hosts internal network. Easy. So we're gonna use this command. This will scan all the hosts in the network. We're gonna install it. Sorry. Give me one moment. So yeah, now it's working. Just had to install it. My bad. So we'll put this paste. So this should scan all the hosts in our internal network. As you can see. Oh, we got 5 hosts up. As you can see here. Let's see. So got 61. Then we have, so it's all start from here. So as you can see, MAC address, we have the MAC address, yep. So we have host is up, host is up, host is up, host is up. So we have 192.168.60.1, 192.168.60.5, 0.6, 0.7, and 0.11. So those are in our internal network. And so that is question 1 done. Question 2, it asks for determine the operating system running on RMIT web server. So in order to do that, we would need to look at this command. Bring it up right now. Sorry. It would be this one. Yes. It would be this one. Let me just clear it, actually. So, when we run this, it's going to take a little bit. So, it should. It's going to take a while. Let's give it a moment. Yep. So we can see the OS that they use. Just guessing. So it uses 91% Linux, Microsoft XP. So this is OSCPE, a Linux kernel, Windows XP, Windows 7, aggressive guesses as well, OS guesses. So it gives us some guesses on it. It said 91% Linux or 91% Windows. So yeah. No OS matches for hosts. Test conditions are no ideal, but it gives us some guesses on it. So that's question 2 done for 4. Question 3, port information. So where can we find that? We're going to use this command. I think this will run, it'll take a little bit actually. It might take a little bit. Take a little bit, but it should continue running. Yeah, it's going to take a while. Yeah, it normally takes a while, but just give it a moment. Yeah. I mean, honestly, we could go back and see the ports here. So you can see TCP ports close. But we could get, I think from this command, this will come out as detailed, more detailed. Let me just see. Just run it. Oh, we'll give it a moment. We'll give it like a minute. Try it again. I'll let it run. I'll get back to you. I'll pause the recording, but I'll resume the recording when it comes up because it might take up some space in my storage, but I'll be back, guys. Okay, after a couple minutes, so we have these ports open, number 53, an SSL, HTTP, domain service. So the ports 5380 and 443 are open. And it comes up with like 2 services not recognizable despite returning data. So that is what we get from, that's what we get from running this command as well. Running this command. It took a while, but it did scan it. And as you can see, port 80 is open and port 443 is open. So yeah, that's pretty good. So that's question 3 done. Now we're gonna move on to a different section. It's not going to be dealing with Nmap, but rather Flow Finder. My bad. Flow Finder. So with Flow Finder, we're gonna be observing a vulnerable program, which we've been provided. I've already downloaded it, which is what you see on the right side, which is the int overflow vulnerabilities.c. So we're going to do that. We're going to run that, but we're going to run it outside the Docker container. So in order to do that, we'll turn off this actually. DC down. Let's quit everything. Damn. Stay forever. Yep. Okay, it's all done. Yeah. So go here, cd dash ls. So we're gonna go into, there's so many files. CD flow finder. So we're gonna go there. Then we're gonna do ls. So you can see there's all these files. So I've got 2 files relating to what we're gonna do. So the overflow one is gonna show some errors. Oh, not some errors, some vulnerabilities, some hits, and we're gonna do a revision of it, which I've already have. So I'm gonna do Flow Finder. Give me one moment. Flow Finder. It's okay. So Python 2 Flow Finder. I think it. Wait, give me a moment. Let me check over the. It should. Yes, Flow Finder, and we're gonna do int underscore overflow. Yeah. So we're gonna do that. Oh, it should be .c. So we're gonna do this. Run it. As you can see, it comes with 5 hits. So we can see a statistically. So these 5 hits, they're like security vulnerabilities. So it goes either from 0 to 5. So as you can see, we got 6 hits. We can highlight here. No, 5 hits. My bad. So 3 at level 3, which is pretty high actually. Level 2, moderately. So if we look at it, statistically sized arrays can be overflowed. Perform bound checking. Does not check for buffer overflows. Does not check for buffer overflows. Does not handle strings that are terminated. Would cause a crash if unprotected. So yeah, we'll look at it. This is what we got. So that is the code that we got. So in order to remove these hits, we're gonna revise it. So this is my revised one right here. If you guys want to check. And I can put all the explanations in the thing, in the document. But when we run this, we'll finder. we should have no hits for this one because I've actually checked it. No hits are found. That means there's no vulnerabilities, no crashes, and no overflowing. So that means that this code is better according to Flow Finder. So that should be all for section 4. And yes, all the further information should be found on my document, and I'll be attaching all these videos to my document. Thank you.